Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva for graphic design, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and create one. If you already have an account, simply click log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Canva dashboard. To start a new project, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. You'll see a drop-down menu with various design options. Select the type of graphic you'd like to create, such as a social media post, presentation, or poster. After selecting a format, a new design canvas will open. On the left side, you'll find a panel with templates, elements, text, photos, and more. Browse through the templates to find one that fits your project. When you find a template you like, click on it to apply it to your canvas. You can customize text by clicking on the text box and editing the words. To change the font, highlight the text and use the font drop-down in the top menu. Adjust the size, color, and alignment as needed. To add new elements, click the Elements tab on the left panel. Here, you can find shapes, icons, and illustrations to enhance your design. Simply drag and drop the element onto your canvas. You can resize and reposition elements by clicking and dragging their corners. To add images, click on the Photos tab. Search for images or browse the library. When you find an image you like, click on it to add it to your design. Adjust the image size and position as necessary. If you want to upload your own images, click on the Uploads tab. Select Upload an image and choose a file from your computer. Once uploaded, drag it onto your canvas. If you want to change the background color, click on the background area. Then, use the color picker in the top menu to choose your desired color. If you're happy with the layout, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file type, such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.